Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to unbox Tex Ro chest of drawers that I purchased recently from Amazon. I bought this for Rs 3,499. I am sharing the link in the description box in case you wish to purchase it. As you can see, the box came perfectly packed. All the pieces were intact. And assembling this was very easy. It took around just 15 minutes. I will be showing the assembly. The quality of the plastic is also very good and it looks sturdy. The cabinet also comes with 4 legs. As you can see, this shelf comes in different sizes. This is the door piece and this is the back piece. All the parts have been marked clearly. As you can see, it's written top side here. Similarly, bottom side, right, left and door has been marked. And now it's time to assemble. We just have to follow the instructions. And that's it, one shelf is ready. In the same way, we have to stack all the shelves one on top of the other. I'm attaching the topmost shelf here so that you can see. And finally, I'm going to attach the legs. And that's it. Our chest of drawers has been assembled. As you can see, it looks very pretty. We can keep toys, stationeries, clothes, etc. here. I think this is an excellent space saving solution. I have used this drawer to keep all my craft supplies. So I hope you all liked the video. I will be back with another video very soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.